You don't need a three-course feast or perfect Hindi to connect with your Indian roots. The most powerful connection isn't found in grand gestures, but in the small, meaningful rituals you weave into your everyday life. In this video, I'll show you one of the most rewarding cooking rituals you can start today. So what is this simple ritual? It's the act of making paneer from scratch. I know store-bought is convenient and tastes fine too, but the process of transforming something as simple as milk into this fundamental Indian ingredient, that for me is a powerful act of connection. And best of all, it's incredibly easy. Using cream is an adaptation for my American kitchen because Indian milk usually has a higher fat content, which produces softer paneer. But even deeper than that, bringing up this milk and cream mixture to a boil teaches us patience. The patience to find our authentic voice and the patience to give ourselves grace when we feel disconnected. It's an experience that I went through and one of the core aspects of what I guide my clients through. And now watch. As I add lemon juice, everything changes instantly. On the surface, it seems like something's gone horribly wrong. And honestly, this is what cultural disconnection often feels like at first. Messy and chaotic. But it's not breaking, it's transforming. It's letting go of one form to become something new, still retaining the essence of what it once was. But this is the most important part for me. Gathering the curds in this cheesecloth and feeling the warmth in my hands as I squeeze out the whey. This physical connection to food is something we lose when we buy things from a store. Hot. This feeling when we're making something is a reminder that our culture isn't just an idea, it's something real, something tangible, something you can hold and shape with your own hands. And that's so much like our cultural identity. You don't have to hold on to every tradition to feel connected. You're allowed to embrace what you love and shape the version of you that feels the most like you. Now I'll shape this paneer and press it under these weights for about an hour. Don't worry if you don't have a mold, just shape it into a block and press it. The shape won't be perfect, but that's not the point here. And there you have it, one of the most powerful cooking rituals to help you feel more connected to your roots. Smell is the most powerful connector. It has the ability to transport you to a different place instantly. Dairy is a huge part of daily life in an Indian household, and the smell of milk reminds me of daily rituals like drinking a glass of milk every day, reluctantly as a child, and the rice pudding that was a special birthday tradition that I absolutely adored. things like paneer, ghee, and garam masala isn't just restocking your pantry. It's embracing parts of us that make us who we are. And if you're ready to embrace those parts of yourself more deeply and want a guide to help you build your own meaningful cooking rituals, I invite you to join my program. The details to connect and see how I can help you are in the description.